Ang iba kasi, te, grabe naman kasi ang pagkaila. Di ba, te? Bunda kaayo ba? Nireklamo gis ila. Oy, ay, Ilyang, nireklamo gis Ilyang. Tawagan na lang kong Ilyang. This song is for Ate. You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that brings me mornings and sends me out into the day. You're the crowd that's and all the nights. Ano ba to? Wala ko. You're the one of the few things worth remembering. And since it all through, how could anyone mean more than you? Thank you, T, sa mga likes. Ala, nakalimot ko ani nga kanta ba? Ayun na lang, Nibi. Again. Iba na lang kasi nakalimutan ko to. Ito na lang, matagal ko na hindi ito kinanta eh. Gusto ko din to eh. Diba, te? Maganda to, te. Wait ka lang. Ayan! Lumabas agad. Diyan ka lang. Ito, gusto mo din to, te. Tambay ka lang dyan. Paminaw lang. Maganda din to, guys. I really like this song. Grabe siya. Yes, mine is not the first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry. I'm not the first to know. There's just no getting over you. Panahon mo te, panahon mo. I know I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. Diba, te? Panahon mo yan? And baby, can't you see? There's nothing else for me to do. Hello, I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now, there's no way to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. My head sings, ooh, forget him. My heart is saying, don't let go. Hold on to the end. That's what I intend to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's no way to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted